The absolute value function, with its very recognizable V shape, is an obvious candidate to be written as a piecewise function. If we use the y-axis, also known as the axis of symmetry for this particular graph, as the breaking point between the two pieces, we can write an equation for the two different halves of the graph and rewrite the absolute value as a piecewise. Looking at the left half, this is a line that has a slope of -1. It also travels into the origin, and that origin would serve as the y-intercept should this line continue going on forever. That means our first line segment is just going to be the opposite of x. And that's the line, or the piece, when x is less than or equal to 0. Looking at the second piece of the graph, over here we have a slope of 1, and again, an origin y-intercept. For this piece, our equation is simply y equals x, or f of x equals x, and that's when x is greater than 0. I have the option to put that equal to anywhere I want on either of the two pieces. Because the two pieces of the graph meet in that spot, there's no necessity that I put that equal to on the first piece or on the second piece. I have the option to place that equal to wherever I'd like. But this graph, like I said before, was an obvious candidate to be split into two pieces, and you can do it by writing the equations of the two lines that make up the two halves of the graph.